A very good morning to our RANsquawk listeners. And so far here in the European session, relatively mixed in terms of direction. Starting off with the Asian session, we did finish higher in all of the bourses quite sharply, following those strong upward moves in Wall Street and on the European close, following the coordinated action from the global central banks to enhance liquidity yesterday. Although the manufacturing data which came out of China overnight, as largely rumoured yesterday, did come out weaker than expected. That has weighed on some of the commodity-linked currencies such as the Aussie dollar, and also seen WTI crude futures test around the $100 handle to the downside at last check. In terms of the European morning, we did see a bit of an uptick in the Bund futures, stops triggered at technical push higher after ECB's Draghi did say that he sees increased risk to the downside going forward in a parliamentary speech today. However, prices soon came back. We've had talk of the ECB being back in the market, purchasing 7 to 10 year durations in both the Italian and Spanish paper, but more so attention toward government bond auctions, this time from Spain and also France, both of which went fairly successful overall. They sold at the top end of the indicative range, fairly high cover ratios as well, albeit with a slight uptick in the yield. But since those results, Bund futures have been trading largely to the downside. In terms of looking forward then for the rest of the session, we'll have the weekly jobs data out of the US, and we'll also be looking at ISM manufacturing, in particular the employment component ahead of the anticipated release of non-farm payrolls tomorrow. That concludes the opening wrap from me, so I hope you all have a great trading day.